Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is usable and unlocked. Plug in or confirm battery above 20% if needed. Then open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, and tap Private Safe or App Lock depending on your model. Once there, you will be prompted for the existing privacy password. Enter it now. This step confirms you are the owner and prevents accidental lockout. Make sure you're on a secure network and that biometric unlock is enabled if you plan to reuse it later. Once verified, tap Change Password or Reset Privacy Password and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll verify identity using the current password or an accepted biometric, which prevents unauthorized changes. After verification, enter your new numeric PIN or pattern, then confirm it exactly. Small typos will create a different lock. Make sure the new password differs from your screen lock and is memorable but not obvious. If offered, enable a recovery method like a linked My Account or security question. After confirming the new password, save changes and immediately test unlocking Private Safe or App Lock to verify success. If the phone does not accept the new password, wait a minute, reboot, and try again. Sometimes settings need a restart. If you cannot recover access, use the linked Vivo or My Account recovery flow, or as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Note that resets erase data, so back up first. Keep a single recovery method enabled to avoid future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.